Hey friends and neighbors, this is Dan Max at eXp Realty, and I'm hosting an open house this Sunday, February 27th, from 12 to 3 at 8995 East Prairie Meadow Drive. Thanks for Jared Takushis. This is his listing at Aloha Real Estate, and let's get into it. Let's start off with a little flyby of the whole area. Be aware this is off of Prairie Meadow Drive. It's not far from Central Park Boulevard. It is facing south, has a great open view of the mountains when you look out the front side of the house. You can really appreciate the lot being on the corner as well. It has a nice sized yard for Central Park and a 2-car garage. As you can see coming up, it actually faces 51st Avenue and the green spaces between you and the next block over, allowing for, unobstructed views looking south, which is a great feature to this house. As we get into the details of the house, it's a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 3 full bathrooms, 1 half bathroom on the main level. It was built in 2016. This is a Thrive 1.0. This house is actually one of Thrive's award-winning zero energy net homes, which is great. You can expect to save some money on the bills. The house has 3,288 total square feet. It also has a finished basement and also plenty of storage in this basement. I could go on about all the great amenities in this house that it has to offer, but I'm going to let the music run here and let you see the surrounding areas. If you have more questions, please contact me at 720-255-1033 or danmaxrealty@gmail.com. I will see you guys and gals Sunday. Thanks for watching. As your local Central Park neighbor and real estate agent, don't hesitate to give me a call or send me an email if you have questions about the market or have any interest in getting a market analysis on your house to see what it's worth. The market is moving quick, so if you do have interest in knowing what the home is valued at before you go to the market, please don't hesitate to reach out.